Welcome to our how-to video on replacing caps for damaged panels. Today, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Once your new cap has arrived, place the panel exterior side up on a flat surface. Flatten out any dents or imperfections in the damaged cap to ensure a smooth fit for the replacement cap. Place the replacement cap over the damaged cap. Then, using a 9/64 drill bit, drill holes in the corners and middle of the cap. For smaller panels, drill holes only along the outside edges. Next, insert rivets into the drill holes and secure the caps in place. Flip the panel over so that the interior side is facing up. Drill holes through the cap and into the female cams on the panel. Finally, insert rivets into the drill holes to securely attach the caps to the panel. And there you have it. Your panel is now equipped with a new cap, ready to go. Thanks for watching our how-to video, and happy repairing.